Hello, I just completed my 7-day diet exchange plan. So now I feel fresher, lighter, and of course happier. So I want to share with you more about this diet exchange plan as well. So basically in these 7 days, we do not eat the regular meals that we eat. Instead, we eat clean, fully plant-based, high fiber, a wide variety of vegetables, lots of soy, mushrooms. Yeah, the overall goal is to achieve detox of the body and to boost immune system. So in our environment, the air can get dirty, and when we eat out, the food can get unhealthy, fried food and all that oily food. Sometimes we also lack sleep and also experience high stress. So same as our house, if we sweep and clean daily or weekly, the house is much cleaner, or at the very least do an annual spring cleaning. Same goes for our body, right? We need to spring clean our body. If not, the common symptom will be like lethargy, even after sleeping a lot, constipation, or even poor skin health. To spring clean the body, we need some brush and mops to go through our intestines and colon. And how did I achieve that? I take a lot of high fiber food, such as more than 20 different types of vegetables, and psyllium husk, which is 7 times more fiber than oats. I also detox my liver, which is one of the main detox organ, using raisin tree. So did I cut and chop and cook more than 20 types of vegetables in this time? No, I did not. Because if I did, I would have given up on day 2. Okay, so what I did was I actually used all these very convenient, wholesome plant food. Open the packet, pour into the cup, add water, stir, and then sit down and enjoy a sumptuous, healthy, high fiber meal. So after 7 days of convenience and happiness, what I experienced is that my bowels is really smooth and fast. And I also feel fresher, more energetic, and lighter. My teammates also tried this, and they also have very good reviews, and they feel that they have given their body a very good spring clean. Our body is our vehicle for our whole life. So take good care of our body, spring clean it, and our body, our immune system will take good care of us. So I hope you can try this 7-day diet exchange plan.